Lord Narayana says, there's a house, and you've got a very beautiful garden. In this garden there's a pond, and in this pond there's some lotus flowers, and in those lotus flowers there's one bee, and he's taking the nectar of the lotus. Go and ask him what are the glories of Sadhu Sangha. So Narada Muni, he went and he found the garden that Lord Narayana was mentioning. He approached the bee and he said, "Excuse me, Mr. Bee, can you tell me what are the glories of Sadhu Sangha?" And the bee, he turned around towards Narada Muni and gave up his body. And Narada Muni, "What's going on here?" The bee's left his body, so he went back to Lord Narayana. He says, "I went to ask the bee, but the bee left his body, so please tell me what are the glories of Sadhu Sangha." And Lord Narayana says, "Well, you go back to that garden. In that garden there's one mango tree, and in this mango tree there's a cuckoo, and he's taking the nectar of the mango manjaris. So you go and ask this cuckoo what are the glories of Sadhu Sangha." So he went back to the garden, and Narada found the mango tree, and he approached the cuckoo, and he says, "Excuse me, Mr. Cuckoo, can you tell me what are the glories of Sadhu Sangha?" And the cuckoo turned towards him, and again he left his body. And what's going on here? So he went back to Lord Narayana and said, "I asked the cuckoo, and the cuckoo left his body. So please tell me what are the glories of Sadhu Sangha? I don't understand." And he says, "You should go back, and in the house there is one baby who's just been born. You should go and ask the baby what are the glories of Sadhu Sangha." And Narada said to Lord Narayana, "No, I'm not doing it." He said, "I go there, I speak to the baby will drop dead. They will all beat me, so I'm not going." And Lord Narayana says, "No, you should go now." So he took Lord Narayana's order on his head. He went down, snuck into the house, and he saw the baby. And the baby, he said, the baby says, "Can you please tell me what are the glories of Sadhu Sangha?" And the baby turned towards Narada, and he says, "Well, in the first body I saw you, I was in the body of a bee. In that body I couldn't do sadhana and bhajan, so I left that body. And then the next body I saw you, I was in the body of a cuckoo. Also in this body I couldn't do sadhana and bhajan, but now by your grace I've taken the birth of a human baby in this body. He's perfectly suited to do sadhana and bhajan. So by your association in this human body I will be able to attain the perfection of life, which is Krishna Prem." So this is the glories of Sadhu Sangha. Without Sadhu Sangha, we do not know what our purpose of life is, and we have no possibility of attaining it. So I pray to Maharaj that I will be able to really do Sadhu Sangha and perfect this human birth. And to go to this
Thank you for coming to see us, Maharaj. It was to rescue us and raise our spirits. And I've come to understand that Sadhu Sangha is the most valuable thing that we can experience in human life. Bhakti is the highest treasure, and that mood of bhakti personified by the Bhajgotas is the topmost of all the different types of bhakti, and that's what the sadhus are coming to share with us and give us and to inspire to flow in our hearts with their sweet Harikatha. Unfortunately for me at the moment, my mind has been absorbed in money things. My father died, the estate's been divided up, the family is all arguing, and I'm talking to people who have success defined in terms of money and property and possessions. It's like talking to mad people, and it makes no difference to me if my father's money comes to me, or if it comes to me, then I'll do something nice with it and try and make facility for the devotees. If it doesn't come to me, we'll just carry on as we are. It really doesn't make any difference. But for them, anyway, family all fighting, not talking to each other, crazy stuff. So, and Maharaj has actually helped my family. You remember Jeff and Suzanne and Millie Manjari? Maharaj, you remember Manjari?
Yeah.
Now marriage broken up because you helped them. And I remember, yeah, maybe that's your blessing, yeah. And you helped them, but you said after you helped them, and they came and they bought a big basket of fruit, and they were so happy because they didn't have to go to prison. They were pretty happy. And you said, can you just do one thing in return? Please stop eating meat. Please stop eating animals. You gave them that request. And this was 6 years ago, and they didn't follow. And since then, their lives have just gone misery and everything. And it's been sad. And now Millie, she's 18 years old. Parents split up. She's not very happy. I won't go into the whole story. But I'm seeing somehow or other. I'm trying to help my family, but I'm not. You know, by Gurudev's grace, I'm not so attached to anyone who isn't. You know, you can't choose your relatives. You know. I choose to be among the devotees and get my inspiration here. So I just pray to Gurudev, please help in this situation. And amazing things have been happening. And I needn't go into details, but just everything in our lives. I remember Gurudev saying, whatever's going on in your life, just bring it to me. So I'll just pray to Gurudev for help. And the only help in this world is Sadhu Sangha. And I'll leave it there. Thank you very much.
Or anybody?
You need the microphone?
हमारा जीवन सदा बदल है हमारा जीवन सदा पापे रत नहीं को पुण्य रलेस परे रे उद्वेग दियाছি যে কত দিয়াছি জীবের ক্লেশ আমার জীবন সদা পাপে রত নাই কো পুণ্যের লেশ পরে রে উদ্বেগ দিয়াছি যে কত দিয়াছি Para
কামনা হৃদি মাঝে মোর ক্রোধিদম্ভ পরায়ণ মদমত্র সদা বিষয়ে মোহিত হিংসা গর্ভ বিভূষণ অশেষ কামনা হৃদি মাঝে মোর ক্রোধিদম্ভ পরায়ণ মদমত্র সদা বিষয়ে মোহিত হিংসা গর্ভ বিভূষণ হিংসা গর্ভ বিভূষণ হিংসা গর্ভ বিভূষণ ক্রোধিদম্ভ পরায়ণ হিংসা গর্ভ বিভূষণ হিংসা গর্ভ বিভূষণ নিদ্রালসহত সুকাটে বিরত অকাটে ভূত কি আমি প্রতিষ্ঠা লাগিয়া ষাঠয়া চরণ সদা কামে নিদ্রালসহত সুকাটে বিরত অকাটে प्रतिष्ठा लागिया सतया चरण लोभहत सदा कामी ओ लोभहत सदा कामी लोभहत सदा कामी लोकाटे उदुकी आमे लोभहत सदा कामी लोभहत सदा कामी अहरे ओ ये है दुर्जन सजन वर्जित अपराधी निरंतर शुभ कार्य शून्य सदा नर्थ मना जर जर हेन दुर्जन सजन वर्जित अपराधी निरंतर शुभ कार्य शून्य सदा नर्थ मना नाना दुखे जर जर नाना दुखे जर जर अपराधी निरंतर नाना दुखे जर जर नाना दुखे जर जर বার্ধক্যে এখন উপায় বিহীন তাতে দীনায় কিঞ্চন ভকতি বিনোদ প্রভুর চরণে করে দুঃখ নিবেদন বার্ধক্যে এখন উপায় বিহীন তাতে দীনায় কিঞ্চন ভকতি বিনোদ প্রভুর চরণে করে দুঃখ নিবেদন করে দুঃখ নিবেদন Hare
Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama
Rama Rama
Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Yes, she's on the camera. You can turn and she's there. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Rama
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Good, Premanand. Nice, huh? Good?
Very good again.
Now speak. Nice. You speak also?
Acceptance here. Jai Gurudev.
Nice training, huh? Your mom? Oh, she gave training.
Who trained how to sing? I think his mother, not him.
Oh, huh? Nice sing. हाँ? उसे मम्मी कहाँ गई? घर? 3 महीने से तैयारी कर रही है। हाँ?
Yes.
ऐसा ना। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुर्भश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरस्तिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रियं। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरे
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Raka Siddhar Goswami Goswami Maharaj, all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis. So just I want to speak few words. What to speak? Prabhuji also very nicely glorified about, what did he say? The glories of sadhus, the association sadhu, sadhu sangha mahima. Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool Hoy Sadhu Sangha. Chaitanya Charitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very nicely and elaborately explained about the glories of Sadhu Sangha, Sadhu Sangha. Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool Hoy Sadhu Sangha. The root cause of Krishna Bhakti, that is called sadhu sangha. But what is the meaning of sangha? Sangha means? What is the meaning of sangha? Krishna Kripa.
To connect, to associate.
Huh? Sammak Rupena Gamanam. It is sangha. Sammak means you have to direct, follow the footsteps of sadhu. Actually, sangha. What is the meaning of again the direct, follow the footsteps of sadhu? Actually, listen Hari Katha. If you not listen Hari Katha, that is not sadhu sangha. Sammak rupena sangha. Mosquitoes, mosquitoes here or not? Sometimes. Mosquitoes, they also sometimes sitting on the body of sadhus. They are sadhu sangha. Or maybe many bugs, you know bugs? The stains in the bed, and also they also closely associate sadhu. So that is not sadhu sangha. Bugs, mosquitoes, they also associate sadhu. That is not the sadhu sangha. They are only sucking the blood. So sadhu sangha means is what? How to follow the instruction of sadhu. You can meet direct or indirect, meet with sadhu, but have to follow the instruction. Sadhu sangha. Understand? Sadhu sangha means this, how to follow the instruction of sadhu. And listen Hari Katha. Because Hari Katha is non-different from Sri Hari. So you are listening Hari Katha means Krishna himself enter in your ears and coming in your heart and clean all your unearths, unwanted things from your heart. But if you not listen Hari Katha, so how your unearths, unwanted things removed from your heart? कोटि जन्म करे यदि नाम संकीर्तन तथापि ना पाए कृष्ण पदे प्रेमधान. Thousand lives, million lives, if you do Nam Sankirtan, but you can't attain to Lord. Why? Because without sadhu sangha, you cannot to clean your heart. So sadhu sangha is important. Or sadhu sangha means Harikatha. Sinnatang sakatha Krishna, punna sravana kirtana. Sinnatang sakatha Krishna. You have to listen Krishna Katha. Without Krishna Katha, heart will never purify. For this regard, Lord Kapil Dev told his mother, Devahuti, Satang prasangat mama virjas sangvido bhavante hit karna rasayana katha tajjo sanat asu apavarga vartmani Shraddha Ruti Bhakti Ranukrame Sati. Lord Kapil Dev told his mother, my mother, they have to listen. And always you associate with sadhu sangha. And satang prasangat, prakishta roop mein sangat iti prasangat. And one is called sangha, one is called prasanga. What did he say? Sangha, prasanga. One is called sangha, one is called anga. Sangha, anga, prasanga, bhanga, many things you can. If you not associate sadhu, then it is bhanga. Bhanga means destroyed. Destroyed. As sangha means connect. Or bhanga means disconnect. Same sound coming, sangha, and it is called bhanga. Mahaprabhu himself told when Haridas Thakur departed from this material world, Mahaprabhu himself told, Kripa kari Krishna mare diyachila sangha. Ishwari kripa se hoila sangha bhanga. Here the sangha bhanga. Bhanga means to break, destroy. Mahaprabhu very humble told, that Krishna is very merciful and wonderful. He arranged everything for us, and how to get assistant sadhu, and how will get Suddha Bhakti, and how will attain to Lord. But Maya is very powerful. Maya means illusory potency of Lord. Maya is very powerful. She makes distance from sadhu. Why? If you have no sukriti. Sukriti means spiritual pious activities. Maya will not allow to get association of sadhu. Without him. So need is what? Sukriti. When your sukriti will mature and accumulated, then you will get the association of sadhu. Then with the association of sadhu, bhakti will manifest in your heart. Or when your bhakti will mature, then you will attain to Lord. This is the process. So first sukriti, then sadhu sangha, then with the sadhu sangha, bhakti devi will come. Or when bhakti devi manifests in your heart, then you attain to Lord. Bhakti reva nayati, bhakti reva darsati, bhakti vasa purusha. Bhakti reva nayati, bhakti brings to Lord. Bhakti reva nayati, bhakti reva darsati. You can take darshan to Lord with bhakti. Without bhakti, you cannot take darshan to Lord. This is the person. So, Kurmi, Gyani, Yogi, they have no bhakti. They have no bhakti. For this regard, they can't to direct take darshan to Lord. This is the person. Duryodhan, he met with Krishna. This is true. But he did not see to Krishna. He met with Krishna, but he did not see Krishna. Why? No bhakti. Kamsa, Jarasandha, they were demons. They also met with Krishna. But they did not see to Krishna. What is the meaning? When Krishna entered in the arena of Kamsa, that time 12 persons, they were sitting in that arena. Not 12 moods of the person. Thousands of people are sitting, this is true. But how many moods person? 12. And they also met with Krishna, they saw to Krishna, according to their mood. Kamsa, he saw Krishna is like Kal. Kal means death. The personification of death. Oh, death is coming. Kamsa, he did not see to kiss Krishna. বুঝতে পারছেন কি বুঝলেন?
কৃষ্ণ কে দেখে নাই,
কে দেখলো?
কালকে দেখেছে।
কাল মানে মৃত্যু के रूप में। The Kal is coming, the death is coming in front of him. Krishna present there. Krishna was present. But he did not see to Krishna. Why? Because he has no bhakti. Is that? So Shastra is saying, Bhakti Revanati. If you have bhakti, then you can see to Krishna. Those who are the ladies in their heart, parental moods, mother's mood, they saw Krishna as like their baby. Those are friends, Sakka Bhav with Krishna. They are looking Krishna is their friend. Because if your heart is full of lust and anger, you cannot see to Krishna. Kam krodhe hoite Krishna rahe dure. Understand? Kam krodhe hoite dure rahe Krishna. If you have lust and anger, Krishna is saying, I am very far. So that means, anartha dasa, you cannot see to Krishna. So for the our Shastra saying, how will remove all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things. The Rupa Goswami Pad, first slok of Nectar of Instruction, what do you say? Vacho vegam manasa krodha vegam jiha vegam udarapasta vegam etan veganju vishati dhira sarvam piman prithvi sasisat. How to control the urges of 6 senses. Vacho vegam, first to control the urges of your speech. Vacho vegam. Manasa krodha vegam, control the urges of mind. Control the urges of your man. Man means mind. Vacho vegam, manasa krodha vegam. Krodha vegam means urges of anger. Vacho vegam, manasa krodha vegam, jiha vegam. Control the urges of your tongue. The tongue is very powerful. Because tongue has no bone. हड्डी नहीं है, हड्डी है. For this regard, tongue is very flickery, moving here and there. Easy to move our tongue. Huh? This way, this way. Yeah. That means is what? Our tongue is very flickering. Eh? Krodha, Vacho Begam, Manasa Krodha Begam, Jiha Begam, Udar Upastha Begam. Udar Beg means the urges of our belly. Just taking and eating. No, you have to control how much eat. And specially also, don't eat Visay Anna. Visay Anna khaile molin hoy mon, molin mone Krishna na hoy smaran. Mahaprabhu told these things. This is the teaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Visay Anna khaile molin hoy mon, molin mone Krishna na hoy smaran. If you eat any food from the mundane person, those who are not bhajan sadhana, not devotee, then your mind will be disturbed. You cannot control. You cannot control also your, what is called, genitals. So for this you are very careful. So Visay Ranna Khali Molin Hoy Mon, or Molin Mones Krishna Nahai Smara. And especially two things always remember. How to control your anger and lust. Krodha, Kama, Krodha. Kama, Krodha, this is also bringing to the hell, direct hell. There are no any, what is called, barrier. Sometimes give an example. In India, the one policeman, he was standing on the road. His duty, checking the speed of the drivers, cars or motorcycles, Understand? His duty. Then about sunset, almost sunset. That is time. That is called. What is sun? That is called little dusk. Almost dark is coming. So one person, he was driving his motorcycle. Very high speed. They are also written. This place is called school zone place. What is it called? School zone place. So we have to drive not more than 10 km per hour. Page. Understand? Kya likha hai?
10 kilometers per hour speed limit.
Speed limit. But that motorcyclist, he was driving his motorcycle maybe 60 kilometers. And also rode little bit, what is called?
Tilted down.
Slide.
Sloping. Sloping down.
This way,
Downhill.
Downing. This. But this is written also very carefully. And also little bit also, what is called?
Curve. Bend.
Curve bend. So for this regard, police also always at 24 hours security guard is there. Otherwise, very dangerous place, no? One thing is a school zone place. Second, slope, downing this way. Or another also, bend and curve. But one person, he was driving his motorcycle, how many per hour?
60 kilometers per hour.
So that police said, hey, stop. Listen, come this side. And that time, the motorcycle, who is motorcyclist, he told, hey police, go. Police saying, come this side, because you
In my way.
You break the law. I will give punishment to you. So police also come this side. Stop. That time motorcyclist is loud. Hey, police, go. Well, what is my? Well, do you know the police? Hey, you broke 2 laws. You break 2 laws. What? You also high speed, 60 km/h, and also now dusk. You have no light. So 2 your faults. When sunset, according to the rule of India, you have to turn on your light. So you have no light. At second, high speed. Your speed is what? 60 kilometers. So police was very angry. Come. Then cyclist said, police get. I have no light, this is true. I have no light. And also I have no brake. So you also. Otherwise, you will be killed. That means he is saying, I have no light, this is true. And another, I also lost my brake. So I will go also down, this is true. I will die. 100%. Because I cannot also control myself. So. But if you come, and then also you will die. That means what is the purport about this katha? Lust and anger. Lust is as like you lost your light. That lust means is what? Lust means ignorance. That is called the darkness. To try to understand, lust means darkness. Then you have no light. Do you understand? Or second, what did he say? Break means anger. If you not control your anger, that is also you go to the hell. You understand? This is the purport of this story. If you not control your lust and anger, then you will go hell and never come back. Because all we are going in hell. This path is very, very dangerous. The path of bhakti, kantakoti ruddha, ha kangjam jami king karomi. Koti kantak ruddha. Koti kantak, not only one thrones. How many? Many thrones. So how to walk? For this regard, the Shastra saying this. Lust, anger, enviousness, jealousy, many things in our heart. So how to control? If you not control, then possible. Impossible to attain your highest perfection goal. But how to control? You have no light, or you have no also you have
no brakes.
No brakes. That means is what? Lust and anger. This is the things. You are walking in the path without light or without control. Break. So saying, what will do now? Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please save me. So in this verse, Kama Adinankatida Palita Durnidisa Te Sanjata Moi Natrupan Pasanti Kamadi Krodha, Kam and Krodha, lust and anger. They are bringing to me in the darkness. So Kamadi Krodha, bringing to us in the hell. So who will help to me? So in this verse, He Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachinandana Gaur Hari, you are the embodiment of munificent and magnanimity. magnanimity. 2-3 days I also discussed about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's magnanimity and manifest. Udarjata. What is the Udarja Mahaprabhu? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very merciful. Just to surrender to Sacinandana Gaurhari. Then Gaurhari will give mercy to him. Gaur Nityananda. Always you chant the name of Gaur Nityananda. Then Gaur Nityananda will help you. Bolo Gaura 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 Oh Gaura 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 He Gaura 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 He Gaura 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 Bolo Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Tanandre Prana Dhana Nodiya Bihari Tanandre Prana Dhana Nodiya Bihari Bolo Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Tanandre Prana Dhana Nodiya Bihari Jai Nadiya Bihari Jai Nadiya Bihari Nadiya Bihari Jai Nadiya Bihari Bolo Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori Bolo Gaura 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 He Gaura 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 Hare Gaura 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 He Gaura 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 Gaur Hari Ki. So now coming in this the Vacha Vegam Manasa Krodha Vegam Jiha Vegam Udrapastha Vegam Etan Vegam Ju Vishati Dhira Sarvam Pima Prithivi. Then Rupa Goswami Pa's second verse explain Attahara Prayasasya Prajalpaniyamagraha Janasangascha Lolancha Sarvi Bhakti Vinasati. Attahar. Attahar means what do you mean word? Over collecting. Two meanings. Over eating or over collecting. Both. This is also obstacles of bhakti. Attahara. Prayasasya prajalpa. Endeavors. Many things we have no need. Prajalpa. Prajalpa means mundane talk. Understand? Give up a satsanga. Give up the association, mundane people. And chant holy names. Prajalpa. Niyamagraha. Niyama agraha, niyamagraha, niyama agraha, niyamagraha. Two meanings. Niyama agraha means too much attached with the rules. And niyama agraha, not following the rules. Sanskrit word. Niyama agraha, niyama agraha. Now our Purushottam month is going on. Many people they also following, many people not following also. Are many people too much also attached. This is also an obstacle to bhakti. Bhakti should be what? Simple. No by force. Especially in this Kali Yuga, no by force, means stubborn. Bhakti should be simple way. And this is also recommended by our Acharya and Shastra. Shastra Vakka and Guru Vakka. And what will do this? You first need the faith, the instruction of Sadhu and Shastra Vakka. Sadhu Vakka, Shastra Vakka, Chittate Koriya Vaikka. Nartam Das Thakur Prem Bhakti Chandrika explains Sadhu Vakka and Shastra Vakka. Instruction of Sadhu and instruction of scriptures. Here sadhu means guru also. So sadhu vakka, shastra vakka. Chitta de kari, you think this is the perfect. And follow this. Arna kariya manas. No need for things. Follow this path, this way. What is the instruction of sadhu? Or what is the instruction of shastra? What shastra is saying? What is the instruction of shastra? Or what is the nishedh jagya? Mane? Forbidden of the shastra. Smartato sajdo Vishnu. This is the instruction of sadhu. What did he say? क्या बोला? बोलो दामोदर बोल जाते हो सतत स्मर्तव्य विष्णु सतत means always स्मर्तव्य means remember always remember to Vishnu. This is called instruction of the shastra. Nirdesh or
Never.
or another is a forbidden. What shastra is saying? Forbidden. What is the forbidden?
To forget.
Nishedha. Never forget him. Look at it. One sentence. One is called instruction, another is called
Forbidden.
forbidden. What is saying? Smartavo sadato Vishnu. Come on. Smartato sadato Vishnu. That means sadato means always. You remember to Lord. Never forget to Lord. What is the remember to Lord? Always means, Satata means always. How you always remember to Lord? Always chant Hari names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If you always remember to Krishna, then automatically forget the mundane things. So saying Smartvo Sadhu Vishnu. This is the instruction of the Shastra and Sadhu. Bismartvo no jati. Bismartvo and you forget everything except Krishna. Not Krishna. So Sartat Sadhu Smartvo Vishnu. Bismartvo no jati. These are things. So this is the instruction of sadhu and shastra. Learn one sloka, very simple sloka. One line. What do they say?
Satato smrto Vishnu.
Satato
Smrto.
Satato smartavo Vishnu. Smartavo, smaran karo. The instruction, Vidhiling. Vidhiling means where the Sanskrit is giving the instruction. Vidhi means Adis. Adis means instruction. And that is called Vidhiling. Understand? You know, if you have some little bit knowledge of Sanskrit, then you see, Vidhiling here. Vidhi means instruction. And here with this Martabbo, Kartabbo, Yarbbo. You have to follow instruction. That is called the Smartabbo. So Smartabbo Sadhu Vishnu. Bismartabo no jat. And never forget him. This is your Nibritvaj. Don't forget him. Smartabo Sadhu Vishnu. Bismartabo no jat. If you always remember to Krishna, then automatically will you forget the mundane things. If you every day chant 64 rounds, how many rounds? 64 rounds. Then automatically forget everything. Even if you don't know, understand what is today is which day. Sunday, Monday,
June, July.
or June, July, which day, which month, which date?
2018.
Because you have no time. Because when you chant holy names, and that means you connected with Sri Hari, that means you are connected with transcendental world. You are chanting holy names, means you associate with Sri Hari. This is the process. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is called Sabda Brahma, transcendental sound. Namakhar, these syllables look like syllables, but actually this is the form of Sri Hari. You are chanting Hare Krishna means Radhe Krishna. But you are written in Akshara. Akshara means syllable, letter. And in Sadhana Dasa, you are thinking this is letter. But when you come in the stage of Bhava and Prema Dasa, this is the embodiment of divine couple, Radha and Krishna. Hare Krishna means Radha Krishna. Then when you chant everywhere you will say Hare Krishna means Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe. You can see the same form, beautiful form of couple forms. Now we are looking is what? Syllables, letters. Hare H Hare. Hare Krishna, But when you come in the stage of Mukta, liberated stage, then you can see Hare Krishna means Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe. And how Radha and Krishna they are meeting together. Understand? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And 8 pairs. Name is here. That is called solo naam, 32 16 names and 32 syllables. Now we are looking. But when we come in the stage of Bhava Dasa and Prema Dasa, then you cannot see this. You only will see how Radha Krishna are meeting together. And how Radha Krishna also separate. Because meeting and separate meeting. This. 8 pairs of name. Jugal naam. Ashta Jugal. Understand? Ashta Jugal. Ashta means 8. Jugal means pair, couple. Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Radhe Sam, Sam, Radhe Radhe. Now your conditional stage, you are just chanting the syllables. So what they are? Namakkar Bahirai Vate Nam Kahunai. Namak Akshar. Just you chanting the syllables. That is not pure name. When your pure name will manifest? When you come in the stage of Mukta Dasa. And that time you can see. What will you see? How is beautiful the form of divine Radha and Krishna. Jugala Sitaram, Siyaram Moy Juga Juga Jani. Tulsidas, Ramcharit Manas also listening. Siyaram Moy Juga Juga Jani. Then Tulsidas saying that I am looking everywhere. Sitaram, Sitaram, Sitaram. Chanting Ram Nam, Sitaram. Are looking everywhere. How Sita and Ram meeting together. So Sitaram Moy Jaga Jaga Jani Karamu Juga Kara Juga Pani. Tulsidas is saying this verse, everywhere looking at Sitaram, Sitaram. And I pay my obeisances to the feet of different called Sita and Ram. In the same way, Radhe Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. What do you look that time? Radha and Krishna, how they are meeting together. Nishanta Lila. Then after Nishanta, then they are how to separate. Separate. There as Krishna is going to Nandagaon, and Srimati Radhika, she is going to Javat. Separation. Mutka. Look this. First meeting, then separation. Nishanta Lila is coming in this. Then again, how Radha and Krishna they meeting together? How? Srimati Radhika She is coming Java to Nandagaon and cooking for Krishna. So then Krishna is meeting with Srimati Radhika. Meeting or not? So meeting. Then separation, meeting, then separation, then meeting. 8 pairs of name. Actually 8 couples depend on Radha and Krishna. Radha and Krishna is how they are meeting together. If I tell you cannot understand, just you understand this. When you come in the stage of Bhava and Premadasha, then you will get Suddha Nam. And that is Nam is manifested in form of Radha and Krishna. And at that time you have to say Radha. Actually that stage is called Uttam Bhagavat. Sarva Bhutis Jopasi Bhagavat Bhavat Mana Bhagavati Bhagavat Sa Uttama Bhagavat. Uttam Bhagavat, he looks everywhere he studied. Radha Krishna, Radha Krishna, Radha Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Everywhere. And all the living entities also serve his Istadev according to his own mode. Everything service. How the service to service. And how they meeting together, how they also separate. Because separation, that is called the nourishment to the increase their meeting. No bina vipralamena sambhog pushti masnute. Jatha ranjite kasaita vastra. The saffron cloth. Before it was what? This white cloth. Understand? Brahmachari, white brahmachari. Okay. White brahmachari. White cloth brahmachari. White brahmachari or black brahmachari, not saying this.
White brahmachari, black brahmachari. Not like that.
You cannot say this one. Understand? This is offense. You cannot say white brahmachari and black brahmachari. You can say this word. White cloth and saffron cloth. But first this word, white cloth. This white cloth put in the saffron dye. Then that cloth will become very nice, beautiful, shining saffron color. Look this. In the same way, their separation increase their meeting. Nourishment of meeting. So nobina vipralamba. Vipralamba, separation, the symbol of white. Our meeting is the symbol of saffron color. Very nice. This is very nice. Not red color. What is called? Saffron color. Do you understand? So it's saying there, nobina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute jatha ranjite kasaita vastra. Kasaita vastra. Kasaita means saffron color cloth. This saffron cloth is the Radha and Krishna when they are meeting together. But in transcendental world, Jogmas, she arranges how they also again separate. Because when separate, then eagerness will come how to meet. How to again meet. If you part from someone, that time your eagerness will come. How will meet again with him? Because the love, where is the love? Prema. Love creates this at a time, two things. And that is like one coin, two sides. But both value is same. One coin, two sides. One side is what? Maybe written in one number, or another side written any, what is called? Picture. Lotus something this. Just to give you an example. But both side is same value. That means is what? One side love, two sides. One side is called separation, another side is called meeting. Meeting, separation, and meeting. So Jugal Nam, couple names. Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Radhe Sam, Sam, Radhe Radhe. How is beautiful this name. And actually this is not only the name, this is himself, Krishna himself, because there are no difference, Nam and Nami. In our stage, sadhak stage, we are thinking is Nam. Actually this is your Nami. Same Lord himself. And Radha and Krishna manifest. That time you can see everywhere Radha and Krishna. Understand? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nama Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha, Purna Suddho Nitya Mukto, Abhinatvad Nama Namina. Nama Chintamani. These holy names also Chintamani. Actually, holy names is what? Different from Radha and Krishna. You are not looking Radha Krishna, you are looking Siddha. But after your sadhak dasha, then Siddha dasha, you can see same Nam Prabhu. You can Nam Prabhu manifest in front of you his form, beautiful form. This is the present. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Jihar Agriti Chali. That time Nam Prabhu automatically what? Dance in the tip of your tongue. Now very difficult to chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare. Sleepiness comes. Some people are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare. But when you come in the stage of Bhava and Prema, Nam Prabhu automatically you are dance in the tip of your tongue. For Jihar Agriti Chali. Nam Rupe Prabhu Jihar Agriti Chali. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this way. That way Nam Prabhu himself dance in the tip of your tongue. That time no need to chant. Himself, Lord will. Atasya Krishna Namadi na bhavid grajendri Sayam eva sprutittada. Sayam eva. Sayam means himself. Nam Prabhu automatically chant. Automatically dance. That time so much happiness will come. That time ask to Lord, O Lord, give me thousand tongues. I can chant your holy names. Because there are no difference, Nam and Nami. Now you are chanting as Nam. But that time, in the stage of Bhava Dasha or Prema Dasha, the Nam, basically Nami Prabhu himself. And you can see everywhere. And that time very difficult to stop the chanting holy names. There was Nam Prabhu himself. So Namer Agriti, Nam Prabhu Jihar Agriti Chali. So chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So you have to control the 6 urges of your senses. Understand? First learn this sloka. Learn means is what? Practice. Learn to everybody. Slok very easy to list, what is called? Memorize. But have to practice. Have to practice. But without practice, how possible? For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, nectar instead of Upadesamritam very clearly explained in the first word. Vacho vegam manusa krodha vegam jiha vegam udarupastha vegam etan vegan juvshate dhira sarvang piman prithiving sasisat. So this is the process, how to control everything. And very always will become very humble. What is the humble? I am very wretched, fallen. When we will think everybody is higher than me, I am lower than others. And always think everybody is doing bhajan, I am not doing bhajan. This is the process. Who is higher person, always thinking I am lower. Or who is lower person, he thinks I am higher. Do you understand? If your good qualities will come, then automatically we become very humble. And everybody doing bhajan. I am not doing bhajan. So pray to Lord. Amara jivana sada pape rata naika punnera lesha. Amara jivana sada pape rata naika punnera lesha. Are pare re udve diyachi je kato diyachi jiver klesha. Amar জীবন সদা পাপে রত নাহিক পুণ্যের লেশ. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Kamal Manjari. But he wrote this verse, not wrote. He also teaching to us, give the instruction to us. He is Kamal Manjari, very near dear instruction of Srimati Radhika, but very humble and teaching to us how we will become humble. Because if you want to chant holy names, Mahaprabhu instructed, you have to acquire the 4 qualifications. What are the 4 qualifications? Tenadapi sunecena Karuriva Sahisuna Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sadahari. All is very humble, more than the blade of grass. Tenadapi sunecena Kabe habe bolo sedina amar Kabe habe bolo sedina amar अपराध छाड़ी अपराध छाड़ी याद है अपराध रुचि शुद्ध नामे रुचि कृपा बोले हवे हृदय संचार कबे हवे बोलो सेदिन आमान. Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed this verse. This is him. Bhakti is first. Bhakti should be always very humble. Dainatmika. I am not doing bhajan, everybody is doing bhajan. I can't to chant holy name. So saying, Kabe habe bolo sedina amar aparadha ghuchi suddha name ruchi kripa bole habe hriday sanchar. Bhakti Kabe habe bolo, when that day will come? Kabe hobe bolo sedina, what day, when that day will come. And when the good days will come in my heart. Now is all the bad days. English, what is called? Rainy days. Rainy days. First west country, when not sun rises, 1 month, 2 months, then everybody's mind completely what? Depression comes. Depression comes. Depression is that anger lust comes. When your depressions giving the symptom lust and anger. So here is lust and anger. I also told that is called darkness. No light and no break. You remember? What did I say? No light, no break. If you drive your car, then you have to check 2 things, night temperature. You have to check in your car, light or not. Kya bolte? Light. Headlight or not. Otherwise, and another car will be crash. One blind man, night time, he was walking. Maybe midnight, and then he took one, what is called, torch, and he was going. Then one person asked, hey, you are blind, so why you are holding the torchlight? You cannot see. So why you are holding this? You are in front of you because you are blind. Day or night?
No difference.
There are no difference. You are close your eyes. What is day or night? So why did you hold the torch? That is true. I cannot see to anyone. But the night time, if I would not hold the torch, no one can see to me. Huh? Is it true or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, in my hand torch light, then not less of them people also one person is coming. He will not hit to me. Balavindavan Vihari. So for this regard, rules is that if you drive your car night time, need headlight. Yeah? Someone also coming, then say, okay, this car is coming. Huh? And if you have no car, if you have no light, then another car will come and hit you. Then crush. And another thing is need brake. This is also very important. When you start your car, drive your car, have to check two things. Light and brake. Brake is very important. And understand, any moment, very quick some dog or cow will become. And if you have no brake, then you will be, cannot stop. You need a brake. Follow it so in this way. You control your lust and anger and do bhajan and sadhan and read Bhakti Vinod Thakur this song, Amara Jivano Sada Pape Rata. Then Bhakti Vinod Thakur will sing, Gopinath Mamoni Vedana Suno. Gopinath Mamoni Vedana Suno. Ami Visai Durjana Sada Kamarata Kichunai Muraguna. Gopinath Mamoni Vedana Suna. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, very humble, he is singing this song. Hey Gopinath, please listen to my prayer. Ami Visai Durjan, I am completely what? Materialistic. And wretched fallen. And lust and anger in my heart. Ami Visai Durjan Sada Kamarata Kichunai Maru. I have no any qualification to serve your lotus feet. In this way, chant holy name, do bhajan and sadhan, and always be humble. Daina. Dainatmodi. And Dinere odhik daya karen Bhagavan. Kulin mani panditer borai abhiman. And Chaitanya Bhagavan Vrindavan Das Thakur explained, Dinere odhik daya karen Bhagavan, who is very humble, then Krishna will give him mercy. Or Kulin Mani, who is thinking I am rich, I know everything, I am learned, I am a scholar, everything. He completely cheated from Krishna. Vanchitas me vanchitas. So always be humble. Then automatically what? Krishna's mercy will come. This is the process. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Now Arati. Bolo Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Bolo. 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 Adhara Mana Giridhari Giridhari Sam Banamhari. Adhara Mana Giridhari Giridhari Sam Banamhari. Adhara Mana Giridhari Giridhari Sam Banamhari.
find out if people don't have Sukriti, they don't get any sadhu sangha. So I have a question because, for example, I know lots of devotees, we can't say they don't have Sukriti. They met Srila Prabhupada, they met Srila Govinda Maharaj, or they were associated with Srila Gurudev, so they have Sukriti. So, could you explain why it is that sometimes devotees, they get a lot of sadhu sangha at one point, but then, for example, they don't come to hear from you, but we could make an offence, for example, to those devotees, if we start thinking, well, this devotee doesn't have any security because they're not here, so how could you explain why that is? Why is it that some devotees may have spent, had a lot of close association with Srila Prabhupada or Srila Govinda Maharaj, but now they don't spend so much time in sadhu sangha? Is that because that once you're Madhyamadikari, you don't need so much?
Try to understand. Sukriti mature, then Sukriti brings to association with sadhu. Then with the association of sadhu, bhakti will manifest. And when bhakti manifests, then you come to Krishna. This is the process. But sometimes your Sukriti, but if you committed offense to Vaishnava, that time your Sukriti will diminish. And aparad hasti jaiche. If you committed offense to Lord Spirit of Vaishnava, aparad, the committed offense to Lord Vaishnava is as like mad elephant. Mahaprabhu said, Brahmana Brahmite Kono Bhagavan Ji, Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Latavi, Malik Mali Hoya Seivij Kari Aropan, Shravan Kirtan Jale Karaho Session. Sek Jal Paya, Sabdo Hiya Hai Mul Sakhabari, Upa Sakhabari Jai. If you not give attention the offenses, then other things is what? Will come. Many things, name, fame, reputation, and simultaneously last anger will increase. You cannot see external, but that will come. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada in his Purport Chaitanya Charitamrita, Univasa explained this way. So very careful these things. Association, so I also told association, or this is also Ravan, Kumbhakarna, and Kamsa, they also associate with demon. That demon also associated with Ramchandra, no? But this is not the association.
But Maharaj, are some of those devotees, for example, at some point, I assume some devotees, while they're chanting Krishna Nam, they could be serving.
They are chanting or not? That is Namakkar, maybe only chanting Namakkar, not Suddhanam. Even not Namabhas. Even Namabhas will come. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in Harinam Chintamani. Even the Namabhas will come. What you will say to the Nam of Nam? Namabhas will come. That means Namabhas is very powerful. The semblance of holy name. Destroy all your inauspiciousness. Namabhas, only one Namabhas. This is important. You are looking, he is chanting holy name, but he is not chanting. Only Namakshar, he is chanting Namakshar. So Namakshar, Bhairaya Bhati, Nam Kohuna. You are thinking he is chanting holy name, but he is not chanting holy name. Just level. Kormi, Gyani, Sahajiyas, Mayavadi also chanting holy name. You can see. Aham Brahmasmi. They have also Japamala. They also chanting holy name. What are they chanting? Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. We are chanting Hare Krishna. They are chanting first Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Anyhow, they are also chanting holy name. That is only Namakkar. That is not the Harinama. So you are saying they have division. You are saying, oh, they associate with the Guru, they associate. Actually, they are not. You are thinking this, but when you deeply analyze, if you associate with Krishna, if you associate with Uttam Bhagavat, then automatically all your unwanted things will be removed. This is the process. This you try to understand this philosophy, because you are saying Namakkar Bhairai Bate Nam Kobuna. So for this regard, Gurudev also explained this way. Association means is what? To accept his philosophy, Siddhanta, and take his mood. Mosquitoes, bugs, they associate with sadhu, but they are not except sadhu's mood, sadhu's these are things. You try to understand this. For this regard, sadhu sangha means how to follow and how to remove all my bad impressions. Conditioned soul, they have many kinds of bad impressions, asat sanskar. By with the sadhu sangha and how to remove. For the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told the story of Mrigari Katha, Narad and Mrigari. You know how is powerful. Sometimes he also told this Katha, Narad Rishi and Mrigari. The hunter and Narad Rishi. Look, change, life change. And if my aparad, not so easy to change. If I committed lotus feet of Vaishnava, and 1,000 life I associate with sadhu, 1,000 life I chant holy names, not possible. But sadhu Chaitanya Supadis regards if you pray to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and very humble, and Kamadinam Katida Palita Dunidesa, Te Sang Jata Vainatropa Upasanti, Te no Jatam, Kam Jami Kim Karamam. Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, where will not go? Who will give my shelter? Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I heard you are the embodiment of munificent and please give me shelter. And very humble humility will come. Then we receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives mercy. Humility will come. You know. This way. Pray to Lord. Pray to Lord. Who is associated with whom? Internal, external. Many also devotees associate with Guru, Sadguru. Then they become also demon. Why? Because they committed offense of Vaishnava. Vaishnava aparad. Vaishnava aparad. Then many also they give up, they also bhajan, sadhan, and going to again, what is called? Material life, karmi life. There are many. No need to take the name. We can see many devotees also. In the beginning of the Gurudev time we saw, thousand they are coming. Now where are they? Very difficult to find out. And many also running here and there, confuse their mind. They cannot find out where direction will go. And that time they also confuse. Who is sadhu? They confuse. Because they want to look at their own vision. Kamuka pasanti kaminumai jagat. Last person they are looking to everybody is last. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada explained. Thief is thinking everybody is thief. Because I am thief. So everybody is thief. So you can see Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada one story. Chor Jai. Chor Jai, the thief is in front of you. You read Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada Nectar of Instruction. One story is there, many stories are there. Once one place, one thief, he entered the house. That time that person, they wake up. Then thief, he came out of the door. Then all the persons, they also chasing behind the thief. Thief was running, and all the other people, householder also chasing behind. Then everybody is coming out in their house. Understand? Looking. Then thief is thinking, oh my God, what to do? Then thief is running. And thief is going. But he is thief and he
Pointing to others.
pointing to others. Then everybody, what is thief? What is thief? Then he ran away and hid. Thief says, thief is going. If you read the Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, this. So that means those who are thief, those who are not bhajan and sadhan, they are thinking, oh, in my sangha, no, no sadhu, no sadguru, nothing. Where will go? That time they are running here and there, here and there. Oh, in our sangha, no sadguru and no sadhus. That is your difficult. And if you chant holy name, you think only thing. I am not doing bhajan, everybody is doing bhajan and sadhana. Automatically these types of conception will come. Why looking other faults? Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this. Look your own faults. These are things. Gurudev is as like touchstone. If you have faith, touchstone means is what? What do you mean touchstone?
Change your heart.
Change heart. That means if you say that means in our Gurudev he was not touchstone. He did not change anybody's heart. You ask to them. If those who are saying in our Sangha, no Sadguru, no Sadhu. So that means our Guru, he was not touchstone. He did not change your heart. You, Gurudev, you change not heart because you not surrender to Guru. Guru change your heart when you surrender. This is the process. When you 100% surrender, then, or if you not surrender, how to? So you think, I did not surrender. You think this he said. What do you think? I am not devotee. Everybody is devotee. When these types of conception will come, they can see. You see everybody. You try to understand this. Only thing, I am Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Amara jivano sada papirato nahi kapunero dosh. So Gurudev is saying, always is saying this word. You see, don't look others' faults. Look your faults. How many faults I have? I have this fault or not? By looking others' fault. I chant holy names. Do bhajan and sadhana. Read Gurudev's books. Always glorifying Guru. Always glorify my Gurudev. Not need to others. Chant holy name. Look, everybody is Sadgun. Sadgun means good. Then Krishna's mercy. You check these things. So I am saying these things. All kathas. The essence of this katha is how look my own faults and how look others good quality. This and pray to Krishna, pray to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Listen Gurudev Katha. Gurudev many lectures, Gurudev many Kathas. Who stop you to listen Gurudev Katha? Who stop you? Then no one. And chant holy name. Why running here and there? I think no one. You have then always you will be proud. My Gurudev is the best. Mad Guru, Jagat Guru, Mannath, Jagat.
Maharaj, maybe sometimes for different considerations, like people, for example, they may understand that you're a sadhu, but they may not feel like, for personal reasons, they may not be able to attend, or there may be some external situation which prevents them from attending. So if there's a sadhu in another mat, like Sridhar Maharaj always told us, don't, what's the word, we should not be attached to the form of Guru, and who is speaking the same message as our Guru, we can go to any mat, like you used to hear from Srila Sridhar Maharaj yourself. So, for example, if the new Acharya in Srila Sridhar mat is a pure devotee, then we can also go and hear from him.
If you associate with that person who is the same mood my Guru, and listen very carefully, there is no one to it. If you see anybody speaks,
You are a sadhu. I know that you're a pure devotee, but
if you see some person speaking same mood of my Guru, you can listen Harikatha. Huh? After departure of Bhaktivinoda Sai Maharaj, they also came many sadhus, they are listening Harikatha, same mood, they are thinking, okay, Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, the same mood of my Guru, Bhakti, what is called? Puri Goswami Maharaj. I am not stopping to you. You listen Harikatha. If you see someone speaks same mood of my Guru, but you have no right to criticize to others. This is the thing. I am saying this thing. You have no right to criticize to others. You can listen Harikatha, why not? So who can stop to you? No one. If you see, okay, this person is speaking very nice, I am listening. But you cannot say in our Sangha, opposite word you cannot say. You cannot ninda. Ninda understand? Criticize. You can glorify. Yes, his sadhu is saying, speaking very nice. But sometimes you cannot say, this sadhu is speaking nonsense, is speaking nonsense. So it is Satatas Martava Vishnu, no, Satatas Martava Vishnu. Satatas Martava, always remember. Listen, Harikatha. Sadhu. I am saying this one. Okay, you can go. Who can control you? No one. But always you think, Mad Guru, this is your Guru Nishtha. Your Guru Nishtha. Mad Guru, my Gurudev, is universal.
Yes, but what if somebody has that conception that this is my Guru, but then the Guru acts in such a way that externally the person just feels that they should not be there anymore? Then, there's more than one Vaishnava on the planet. So
you are saying same thing. If you see someone speaking same mood of my Guru, you can go listen from him. If Guru not physically present here, then you can go. If Guru present here, you have to take permission from him. Otherwise you will be cheated. If Guru not physical present, if Guru departed, that time you can choose. Then who is speaking the same mood of my Guru, you can listen from him. But sometimes you cannot say, in my Sangha, no. So that means you committed offense to the Guru. That means my Gurudev has no potence. The Gurudev may not give to anyone. Change her. You cannot say this one. That's the one kind of also offense. I am saying this thing. You glorify to others, but not criticize. Glorify to everyone. I am saying this one. Understand? Okay, do Arati now program. Next program what? 6 o'clock, 6:30? Okay. Okay, do Arati. Okay. क्या करते हैं? Okay, do Arati करो. एक साथ हरिकथा प्रसाद हरिकथा. Spiritual life means this one. Harikatha, prasad. Harikatha means prasad. Give my sign. What is this? I always receive 80.
Should we put it there?
I think so.
Before we forget it.
Huh? I forgot I had this. I could have used this one. I forgot.
You had one.
I had one. They bought one anyway. I think it's connected. Yeah.
Huh? Pardon? 21. Okay, okay, I'm giving. That to Arati? For me and for my friend. You and your friend?
Yeah, vegetarian.
Your friend, yeah. Okay, okay, Arati go.
Oh no, a man called John in the shop used to go to his jar.
Oh, okay. Okay, good.
Someone put some jars in my
Can you put it in my... I will put it, put it inside so we don't... You know, so I know where my things are.
Anybody take a pair of cartos with black thread?
Yeah, to Lily.
Keep them back.